Have you ever felt invisible in a crowded room? Like you're shouting at the top of your lungs, but nobody hears you? We've all been there. But what if I told you that there are 6 simple habits, small tweaks to your daily routine, that can transform how the world sees you? Buckle up, because today we're embarking on a journey that could elevate you from just another guy to the man. Let's redefine your masculinity together. So how can you make my woman find you attractive? 1. Exercise daily. Exercising every day can truly transform your appeal. It's not only about getting a great body, but it's also about feeling good inside. When you work out, your body releases chemicals that make you feel happier. It's like a natural mood booster. Plus, it boosts your testosterone levels, which is a hormone that's all about showing your manly side. But here's the catch. Don't forget to give your body some rest too. Just like how you need a good night's sleep, your muscles need some downtime to heal and get stronger. So, in a nutshell, exercise makes you look better, feel better, and it shows off your masculine side. That's a triple win. Remember, making yourself irresistible and attractive isn't just about your appearance. It's about how you feel inside too. Confidence and a positive attitude can be just as attractive as a chiseled body. So, keep that in mind as you work on becoming the best version of yourself. 2. Fuel your body. Making yourself irresistible and attractive is like a full-on game, and a big part of that game is what you eat. So, here's the deal. Ditch those greasy fast foods. They might taste good for a minute, but they won't do your body any favors. Instead, focus on loading up with good stuff. We're talking about wholesome, nutritious meals. Think of your body like a high-performance car. It needs the right kind of fuel to run at its best. Now, here's a bonus tip. Try cooking at home more often. Not only will you save some cash, but you'll also know exactly what's going into your tank. That means you can make sure you're getting the good stuff your body needs. What you eat doesn't just affect how you look. It also plays a huge role in how you feel. Good nutrition isn't just about your physical health. It's like the captain of your mental health team too. When you eat well, you're giving your body the power it needs to perform at its best, both physically and mentally. 3. Man with manners. In the quest to become truly irresistible and attractive, one characteristic that stands out is being a gentleman. It's not an outdated concept. Rather, it's a timeless quality that never goes out of style. Being a gentleman is about more than just appearances. It's a reflection of kindness and respect that sets you apart. At its core, being a gentleman involves embracing acts of kindness and displaying unwavering respect. Simple gestures, such as holding the door open for someone or offering your jacket on a chilly day, might seem small, but they carry significant weight. These actions are not just polite, they are powerful indicators of your character. However, the true essence of being a gentleman transcends mere gestures. It encompasses how you treat everyone you encounter. It's about extending courtesy not only to your date, but also to the waitstaff at the restaurant and even random strangers you cross paths with. This inclusive approach to politeness is what distinguishes a genuine gentleman from someone merely pretending. It showcases a level of integrity that runs deep, demonstrating your commitment to treating everyone with respect. Being a gentleman isn't just about making a good impression. It's about making a lasting impact. It's a win-win situation where you not only enhance your own desirability, but also make the world a better, more courteous place, one act of kindness at a time. 4. Lead by example. Whether you find yourself in the corporate world, with your family, or simply hanging out with friends, the art of leading by example can set you apart in the most remarkable ways. Being a leader isn't solely about asserting authority. It's about earning respect through your actions and character. Women in particular are often drawn to men who possess this magnetic quality. Leading by example entails being the beacon that guides and inspires those around you. It's about showcasing a positive, admirable demeanor, especially when confronted with challenging circumstances. In the face of adversity, you become the individual who maintains composure and seeks solutions, rather than succumbing to panic or negativity. This ability to handle challenges gracefully is genuinely captivating. So, if your goal is to be irresistible and attractive, remember that leadership isn't about wielding authority to command obedience. It's about being the person that others genuinely respect and want to emulate. 5. Lifetime learner mentality. Unlocking the secrets to being irresistibly attractive unveils a lesser-known yet incredibly potent ingredient: the mentality of a lifelong learner. Picture yourself as the person who never loses the spark of curiosity, the one who continually seeks to expand their knowledge horizons. It's an allure that runs deep, making you memorable in the eyes of others. Being that individual who's always hungry to learn and grow possesses an undeniable magnetism. Your quest for knowledge isn't just about acquiring facts. It's about diving into the depths of understanding, constantly evolving into a more refined version of yourself. This unquenchable thirst for knowledge provides you with a profound sense of depth, setting you apart from the ordinary. But how do you cultivate this compelling trait? It starts with engaging in conversations that reflect your insatiable appetite for learning. Share insights from the latest project you're immersed in, discuss the revelations gleaned from the book you recently devoured, or explore the wisdom you've acquired from intriguing articles. Not only does this showcase your ongoing education, but it transforms you into an engaging conversationalist who can stimulate others' intellects. By regularly broadening your horizons and keeping your mental gears in perpetual motion, you morph into an individual who is not only physically appealing, but also intellectually captivating. This unique combination of attributes is the very essence of irresistibility. People are drawn to your insatiable curiosity and your ability to nourish their minds with stimulating discussions. Your commitment to lifelong learning becomes a beacon of attraction. It's not just about keeping yourself intellectually sharp. It's about becoming the kind of person others can't help but find unforgettable. So, nurture your curiosity, let your mind roam freely, and watch as you become a truly irresistible force in the world around you. 6. Be confident and mind your body language. Confidence is like a magic wand that can transform your life. It's the key to success in everything you do. So, let your inner charisma shine bright and embrace it. Now here's a tip: your body language can speak louder than words. So, pay attention to how you carry yourself. First off, maintain eye contact when you're talking to someone. It shows respect, and it can create a thrilling sense of tension that's quite attractive. Next, stand tall and proud. Imagine you're exuding self-assurance. When you walk into a room, let your presence be felt. Confidence isn't about being arrogant, it's about believing in yourself. Lastly, actively engage in conversations. Show that you're interested and present in the moment. Your body language should reflect your confidence, not insecurity. When you combine confidence with the right body language, you become a magnetic force. People are naturally drawn to those who exude self-assuredness. So, unleash your inner charismatic beast and watch how it changes the game in every aspect of your life. Unleashing your irresistible masculinity begins with small daily habits. By exercising, fueling your body with nutritious food, practicing manners, leading with integrity, embracing a lifetime learner mentality, and exuding confidence through body language, you can redefine how the world sees you. All right, guys, we've come to the end of this video, and if you enjoyed it, do well to click on the like and subscribe buttons. Don't forget to check other videos on our playlist. We've got some amazing contents for you. See you in our next video.